When it comes to retirement, securing your future with a well-diversified IRA is crucial, especially if you're nearing retirement or already enjoying it. But how do you ensure your IRA is truly set up to withstand the unexpected? Today, we're diving into exactly what a well-diversified IRA should look like for ultimate retirement security, and I'll be showing you the best way to build that. Now, if you're wondering how you can make sure your retirement wealth is protected, then this is a must-watch. The strategy I'm going to show you isn't just theoretical, it's practical, and it's already working for thousands of Americans looking to preserve their savings. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get your free Gold IRA guide. Let's start by addressing one of the biggest mistakes people make with their IRAs: overexposure to the stock market. While it's great to have stocks in your portfolio, relying too heavily on them is risky, especially if you're about to retire. Stock market volatility can be brutal when you're on the verge of withdrawing your funds. So, how do you shield yourself from that risk? The answer is a diversified portfolio. And when we talk about diversification, there's one asset class that stands head and shoulders above the rest: gold. A gold IRA is the perfect way to hedge against inflation and economic downturns. Gold has a long history of maintaining its value when other assets are in turmoil, making it an essential part of any retirement strategy. But how do you get started with a gold IRA? It's simple. You roll over your existing IRA or 401k into a gold IRA, and from there, you work with a reputable company that specializes in gold-backed assets. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this really for me? If you have 100k or more in your IRA, 401k, or even 5M Plus in savings, this is absolutely something you should consider. Click the link in the description for a free guide on how thousands of Americans are protecting their wealth with gold IRAs. Diversifying with gold doesn't mean abandoning other assets entirely. It's about creating balance. Alongside gold, you should consider adding bonds, real estate, and even certain dividend-paying stocks to your IRA. But let's be real, none of these can give you the same level of peace of mind as gold. Bonds might offer stability, but they won't provide the same hedge against inflation that gold does. Real estate is great, but it can be illiquid and sometimes risky depending on the market. Gold is different. It has outperformed nearly every asset class during times of economic crisis, making it the backbone of a well-diversified IRA for retirement security. In fact, over the last few years, while stock markets have fluctuated, gold has held steady, and for many, it's been the key to staying secure in their retirement. And don't just take my word for it. Thousands of American retirees are turning to gold IRAs as their go-to solution for diversifying their portfolios and protecting their wealth. If you're ready to take action and learn why a gold IRA is your best option, don't wait. Click that first link in the description now to access your free guide. Before we wrap up, let's talk about something critical. Your wealth isn't just a number on paper, it's your peace of mind. A well-diversified IRA will not only help you sleep better at night, but will also ensure that your money works for you, no matter what the economy throws at you. Diversification, especially with a gold IRA, is the strategy that has stood the test of time. So, if you're someone with 100k or more in your IRA or 401k, or even if you have 5M Plus in savings, you owe it to yourself to learn how gold IRAs can protect you and grow your wealth. Click the link below for a free, no-obligation guide, and let's make sure you're prepared for the future. Don't wait until it's too late. Act today and take the first step towards securing your retirement.